Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you the inheritance of blood group in humans. Even though this topic is not given in NCERT, exercise some questions are given there. That is why you should have a brief knowledge. Let me tell you what are the common phenotypes of the blood group in humans. There are 4 phenotypes: A, B, AB and O. You might have heard about other blood groups also. Very common blood group I am talking about. And you are not talking about positive or negative. Rh factors are also there. In the previous video somewhere I said Rh factor means it's a factor which is present in the human blood, which is also found in the monkey's blood. Monkey's generic name is Rhesus, R-H-E-S-U-S. So Rhesus monkeys blood also possess this factor. So the people, the humans, those who possess this factor, they are termed as positive ones, like A positive, B positive, AB positive or O positive. In the human population, world human population, 85% people possess Rh factor. They are the positive ones. Whether it is A, B, AB or O, they belong to the positive Rh group. Whereas rest 15% people do not have the Rh factor in their blood. That is why they are called negative. So either A negative or B negative or AB negative, O negative, like that. Let us talk about the phenotype of the blood group only. A blood group means people those who have antigen A in their blood. Those who have B blood group, they have the antigen, a factor B. It is named B. And those who have A and B, both antigens in their blood, they are known as AB. People those who neither have A nor B, known as O blood group. So there are 4 phenotypes. How to write the genotype? Generally, what way you have written the genotype for the color and the shape of the seeds or the height of the pea plants in Mendel's experiment, that is not the way you will represent the genotype of the blood group. It is represented in a specific way. For example, A blood group, the genotype homozygous version, you will write IA. IA is the homozygous version of A blood group people. And what is the heterozygous version? You may be saying IA and I small letter a, right? But that is not the way you will write. You will write IAIO. This is the heterozygous version. Okay, like that. How do you write B? The same way you can say IB, right? What way the heterozygous version then? If this is IAIO, it will be naturally IBIO. Then what is the genotype of AB? It is IAIB only. There is no other way of expression of the genotype of AB blood group. There is only one type, that is IAIB. Then what about O? IOIO. There is no other way. This is the only homozygous genotype of O blood group. Way of writing the genotype of our blood group. If you know this, you will be able to solve the exercise questions, like in page number 147, question number 3. A man with blood group A marries a woman with O and their daughter has blood group O. In this, is this information enough to tell you which of the traits blood group A or O is dominant, why or why not? This question you will be able to solve now. I'll just help you. We will discuss the answer in the class. So if man's blood group is A, What are the possible genotypes? Tell me. Either it can be IA, or the IO version it can be. Woman is O. So, woman genotype possible is only one, that is IO. But it is clearly said their daughter got O blood group. So, it will be IO only. Now, you have to find out the man's genotype, whether he is this or this, which is the possible genotype of the man. How to do? You have to cross multiply and find out, isn't it? Because you know the answer, daughter is IO. It means daughter is O. So, if man is IA, homozygous version, let us see. IA versus woman IO. So, one form only we are taking in the gamete IA versus IO. So, what is the crossbreed? IO. What is this? A. Isn't it? The phenotype is A only, this one. But the daughter's blood group is only. It is already given in the question. So, can it be? No. Then what is the other option? IO. So, let us see what way it is possible. IO versus IO. One IA we are taking, the other one IO. Here IO only. There is only one version, so we will take only one time. This will make pair with this. Then IO. This will make pair with this. IO. Isn't it? So it means 50-50 chance is there. If man is heterozygous IO, then also the phenotype is A only. In this case, 50% chance is there for a child of O blood group. So that is what happened, because in the question the daughter is IO. It is already given there. So what is the genotype of the father? IO. This you will be able to tell only after doing all these works. Just by reading the question, the data which is given in the question is not sufficient to tell you directly. So for that you should know the genotype and work out this way. Then only you will be able to say that what is the possible genotype of the father, isn't it? I hope the thing is clear to you. Thank you.